Good day everyone. Today I'll show you how to edit using Lightroom application. First step, open your Lightroom app and find a photo from your gallery. Click the My Presets. Click on Lightroom in the check icon. Next is click on the sun icon to adjust your brightness or darkness of the photo. Lessen the whites. Higher the shadows. Lessen the blacks. Next, click on three dots above and choose Save Device to save your work. Make sure to save with higher resolution for a better quality of the photo. Then, basically your quality of your photo will be like this. Next, your turn to edit yours. Follow the basic steps. Good job! Look at the outcome. For more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and get notified from all of our videos. Hope you enjoy. See you to our next video.